welcome back to Dipansh video time, and in this video I will be showing how you can detect and delete empty folders and subfolders using Python. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be needing to do is import OS. Then after that, from tk insert we want to import tk file dialog and our message box. Okay, so these are the two main lines that we want to import. After that, we want to make our function which will be deleting our empty folders. So basically for that, I'm going to be typing in define delete empty folders. Inside that, I want to type in directory. So inside our function, we are mainly going to be using the library OS. So we are going to be putting in for root dirs and then underscore in os.walk our directory. So on os.walk directory top down equals false. Then after that, for d in dirs dir underscore path is equal to os.path.join, and inside that we want to type in root and d. So basically inside the directory, in the directories, we find the directory path. So that is basically what we're winding up and doing. After that, if not os.list dir underscore path, dir underscore path, then what we want to do is try os.rmdir, and then inside that we want to put in our dir path, and then after that type in print f deleted folder, and then inside that we're going to be putting in dir path, and then after that we're going to try exception as e. In case of that, we're going to be putting in print, and then again f error in deleting folder, and yeah, that's it. So that's what we're going to be printing out. So just so you know that we are doing this by finding out if there are any files in our folder, not by finding out the space of a folder. So if there is any file in the folder but has no value, then sorry about that, it won't work, or maybe it will. So that is our main code for our deleting empty folders, where we basically walk through our directories, and then for each directory we find out if there is anything in it. Then after that we delete the folder if it is empty. So that's our basic code. Okay, next thing is our define select directory, which we're only taking in our prompt. Okay, so tk dot withdraw directory, so directory should be equal to file dialog dot asks directory, and then it should be error no directory selected. Yeah, there we go. Then after that we want if not directory message box dot show error, and it should be written as, again, error and error, no directory selected. Now here it should be written, sorry about that, I did a mistake. Here it should be written, instead of that, it should be written title equals to prompt. So yeah, directory is equal to file dialog dot ask directory title is equal to prompt. And after that, we put in our show error, and then we put in return the directory that it wants to walk. So it will find, so in here it will come to ask the directory, it will give in the directory to the system will go to the delete empty folders, it will take a walk through the directory, and then for every empty folder it will move to the recycling bin, hence deleting it. So in here we can type in if underscore name is equal to underscore main. Then what we want to do is our target directory, so target directory should be equal to select directory, and then it should be written select the directory to search. And then after that, if not target directory, then what we will want to do is we will want to simply exit that application. But then if there is, then delete empty folders. We want to put in our target directory, and then lastly we want to put in message box dot show info. It should be success, and then empty folder cleanup is successful. Okay, so we got our main code over here. Let's make another folder, name it delete it. Now let's Control S, let's run this beast. Okay, so we are in our folder delete. Let's select the folder, and you can see that it deleted the folder hello, which was our empty folder, and it deleted our delete it folder. So what it basically does is, let me go through it again. First, it will go here, it will initiate this line of code which asks for the directory we want to give. After that, it returns the directory that we put in, and then the next line of code goes to our empty folders. In the empty folders, it takes a walk through every single directory, and if it is empty, it deletes it. If it can't delete it, it types an error in deleting folder. After that, it comes back and it shows a success, empty folder cleanup is successful message box. So this is the simple code to detect and delete empty subfolders in Python. Thank you, and see you in the next video. This is Dipansh video time.